Hey guys, we just went inside Tractor Supply inside Summerville. We'll get some chickens.
Somebody will help you in just a second down there.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Hens are great.
And ducks.
What breed is it? No, it's that little small one.
Well, she's on her way.
They do
Never mind
this. They look like orange. They act like thick and strong because the COVID test.
Look at them.
Oh, yeah. What are y'all like?
They're ducks. We're getting some ducks too. Oh, look how cute these ducks are. Look how cute these ducks are. Oh, chickens. Oh, I want a duck. How many ducks are we getting?
I wonder how much.
Mom, can we get
I know,
two?
I thought the same thing until my boyfriend called and was like, they got ducks at Tractor Supply in Summerville. Get as many as you want.
Mom, can we get 4 ducks?
Oh,
Or can we get 2?
we'll get 2.
Aww. Can we get 2 so they both have a friend? Or can we
Yeah,
get
we're
4?
going to get 2.
Oh man, not 4? Oh, you're so cute.
Yeah. You can tell it by the. They have a little.
Are you getting one of the black one, the Benny Americana?
Whatever.
Mom, did you guys buy some,
There's a couple
pony
of
food? Wow, wow.
That'd be it.
Oh, look at those. Those look like Dang It Dave.
Do we want any?
I'm waiting to leave one of these things.
Yeah, so Dang It Dave can have a friend. Oh, wait, oh. Oh my gosh, he's so cute. Look at the little pom-pom on his head. Is that the one you said you were going to get? Can we get one of each? And 2 of the ducks? Mom. Look at the little pom-pom on their feet and head.
Hey, Billy. I got both registers going. I was going to say, I got both registers going, so
How many boxes are we going to
I
need?
was trying to
I was going to get him up and register, but you can see if you run mobile.
You got it from
Whoa.
here?
Yeah.
And they got that big?
Yeah.
They look like that?
Yeah. The Pekins.
You
Okay,
can't tell them right now female from male.
Should we not get a duck anymore? That's how big they
The
get.
reason.
Yeah, we're going to.
No,
You want 2
not-
ducks?
It's kind of hard to tell.
Yeah.
Yeah, we want 2 of them.
Okay. And you said 3 of the Americanas?
Mm-hmm. And then 3 of the black copper maroons.
2 ducks.
Can you keep chickens and the ducks together?
Excuse me?
4.
The ducks are going to get bigger faster.
Yeah, we put like a huge extra large option off, but I was going to pour it up and put them all in. And my boyfriend texted me a minute ago and said he's not sure if we can put the chicks and the ducks together.
Right, the ducks just have to have some kind of water source. My brother-in-law kept both together. He had a huge pen. He had ducks, chickens, everything.
Really? Okay, so what do we got?
You got 2 ducks, 3 Americanas, 3 of the Marans.
Okay, can I get 2 of the Polish?
You go to Polish? Okay.
Mom, that's a lot of chicken.
Can the ducks eat the same food as the baby chicks?
Mom, that's a lot of
Can't tell
chicken.
us female from male at all right now.
Maybe we got about 50 of those this morning.
Mom.
Polish.
Mom. Mom. Can we get one of these?
Hope I got a hen within one of those three.
Mom, can we get one of these?
Americanas with pullets. 1, 2, 3, 2 ducks.
Mom,
And the.
can we get one of these?
What is that?
The chicken with the puffy ball on top of the head.
I think we got those, didn't we? Get a couple pullets.
Yeah.
These
Yes,
Kaylee?
ma'am.
Those are the same thing, I think.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, there's
got
2 of
two.
those. And the pullets. Let's make it clear, Mark.
Yeah, my boyfriend works for American for deliveries meals propane. So every time he's here and y'all have chicken, he's like, what those chickens you got?
Mom, what about the ones on the very bottom? The black.
Yeah, we got 3 of those. Those are the ones that lay the really...
Oh my gosh, how many chickens do we have?
Well, after these, we'll probably have like 40.
Dear Lord. They're cute though.
Well, I mean, the last year or so, we've gotten in a great variety of different breeds. And it makes it better.
Hi. You guys should get some.
I know, I really want one.
We just got like 8 of them. Yeah.
Thank you.
It may be around there.
How many of those did we get? What's that for? What's that for? Cage? Dog cage? Those are cute. Nothing. I just said that those boots were cute. How many did we get?
Three Americanas. I'm sorry.
3 Americanas, 2 ducks,
3 little black Papa Maria.
10? What? We got 10 chickens?
And we got 8 chickens and 2 ducks.
Oh, do we need this? We need what? We do need this? What? Wait. Wait. Do you think the pony would like the mint little bites? Do we need more of these? Aw, man. Mom. They're only there's only $3. You never get a good deal. What are you gonna get? You'll never find that good of a deal, Mom. Never find that good of a deal on horse trades. Just never find that good of a deal. Huh? That is pretty. It stinks. Baked beans. Hey guys, this one is pretty.
No, we're still looking at
Oh, yeah.
Y'all remember the number stuff?
Yeah.
Phone number?
706-407.
Hey guys, we're about to get another card. It might be too loud inside the car to say that subscribe button and give a like. So I'm gonna say it right now. Make sure you click the subscribe button, give a like, and comment down below how many animals you have and if you guys have any chickens.
2 of the ducks.
Okay, you got 3 pullets,
Mm-hmm.
5 straight runs, and 2 ducks.
Oh, that's dangerous. That's very dangerous.
Yeah.
It's gonna be 35.85.
Shit.
Oh wait, no.
Did you get
What? For chickens? Oh, I didn't realize you got that stuff in. I paid for the trades.
Chicken sandwich.
I'll pay for the trades. Only $3. I don't know. It's $5. Take away $1, take away 50 cents. Pretty simple. Oh, $4. That's 50 cents. That will be $3.20.
Thank you.
What did he give you? What did he give you? What did he give you?
Hello.
Hey guys. You want to go back in? Okay. Guys, make sure you click the subscribe button, click the like button, and comment down below how many chickens you got, and if you have any, or what kind of animal you have, and how many of those. Bye.